If you want to use sketch to image on a Samsung S25, like for example in my case, let me quickly show you how it actually works. So you have to start by opening your gallery, and right now just go for the picture that you want to right now adjust. For example, this one. And now you have to click on this AI icon. Now just wait for the loading and select sketch to image. Now when you click right here, you can change this drawing item. There we go. And you can simply draw something. And when you finish, just click generate and just wait for a few seconds. It will take around like 10 or 15 seconds to actually transform this one. And after a few moments, as you can see, that's how it looks. So we can actually move into the left side or the right side and get some recommendation. And if you want to save any of the picture, just click right here, and it was right now available in your gallery. So when you go back, as you can see, it appears right here.